everybody. Happy Friday. Thank God we made it through the week. I hope everybody is safe. I just wanted to jump on here right quick. I'm into my 40-day fast again. It seemed like during the week, them 40-day fasts be popping up real quick. But anyway, I just wanted to say that it just came to, my heart. Y'all know I've been trying to get healthy. I've been losing weight. But I had a few health issues too. And I want to say, I believe all health issues start in the gut. It really do. Because when your gut is off, everything is off. It affects everything. For women, it affects your vaginal health. It affects your colon health. It affects your digestive health, everything. And that all starts with what you're putting in your body. So as they say, you could either pay the farmer now or you can pay the doctor later. And all of us are paying the doctor right now and the farmer, because even cheap foods done went up in price. So control what you can control. You know what I'm saying? If you like coffee, get you a good coffee. Y'all saw I drank Purity. It can be a little pricey. You can get discount codes if you go to Benazati's youth. If you go to Benazati, I think it's Keto Camp, you could get like 10% off. Sometimes Purity be running a sale. It's mold free. I never dealt with the coffee because I wasn't a huge coffee drinker, but I had no clue that coffee can have mold and stuff like that. Even I did delve into the tea years ago, and that's when I switched my tea to traditional medicinals. All of those expensive teas and stuff that you see on the shelf, a lot of them have pesticides, chemicals, and even some of the expensive like Tiavana, hell, they scored in at the highest in pesticides and chemicals, and that stuff is a lot of money. So control what you can control. Leave the cane sugar alone. Try, monk fruit sweetener, Boca sweetener. I found Boca sweetener to be the closest one-on-one to cane sugar, or even coconut palm is even more healthier. Teas, Pick is expensive. So, I mean, it is a clean tea though, and you can do it hot or cold, some of them. But if Pick is not up your alley, or if it's too expensive, traditional medicinals is good, and Numi is good as well, and you can buy those at Walmart, traditional medicinals and Yumi, and they have a whole host of different flavored teas without all of the chemicals and pesticides that go along with it. Your oils, a good extra virgin olive oil to cook with, a good avocado oil, all of that stuff I show on my channel. Even the olive oil company, I did video about that years ago when I was switched over to using extra virgin olive oil, not only for my hair, but for cooking as well. And I just learned about avocado oil, Chosen Foods, that they even crooked in that, sector. Everybody got a hustle, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, change what you can change that works for your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Now, it could be little stuff, the stuff that you put on your skin. Stop buying that stuff that's over the counter. You have all of these small business companies that sell stuff for the body, the hair. Some of them can be expensive. Some of them are, reasonable in price, and their stuff is much more healthier to put on your skin. When you put stuff on your skin, it's chemicals. At the end of the day, all of that stuff that they put in there is chemicals. Go support the small businesses and use healthier products. So that's what I wanted to say. Peace. Hello. Today is Tuesday night. I'm eating dinner early. It's 8:33. I'm gonna try my best to eat early. But before I start, please, when you come and give me a thumbs up so my videos could get into the analytics, I would so appreciate it. Yesterday was a fasting day. Today is the eating day. I kind of fell short on my hours of fasting because I didn't take my butt to bed. like I normally do. So I only fasted for like 26 hours, but tomorrow is another fasting day. I did have my coffee with my collagen, and now I'm having a chicken quesadilla. I had some of my chicken left over from the chicken I got from Crowd Cow, and I just kind of heated it up in some avocado oil with some onions and red pepper, and then I did over toast my crust, but that's okay. I put on it some cheddar cheese and mozzarella, put it in the oven to let it melt, and then folded it over. I do like this crust. It tastes pretty good, but it's also very pliable. It doesn't break apart and everything like some of the other crusts I've had. So this is how it looks in the inside. I did put a little bit more real salt and some pepper on it when I was sauteing it. I got my 10 olives. I got some guacamole and sour cream right here, and then I just got a plain butter leaf lettuce salad. Let me see how they taste. That's good. That's good right there. This quesadilla is good. So that is for dinner. Tomorrow again is a fasting day, so I won't be eating again until Thursday night. Let's pray I get through this one. Today I did my Miss Muscle 30-day challenge along with my resistance training, which was legs today. Today was a better day than yesterday. Yesterday was mentally and physically, I was not all together, but I got through my workout in 26 hours into my fasting. So tomorrow is hump day, midweek. Let's get through this. Y'all stay safe. Don't forget, give me that thumbs up on your way in. And peace out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey, y'all. It's Thursday night. I'm fixing dinner. Just when I picked my son up from, it was a JV football game. Today was a fasting day. I fasted for 42 hours. So now I'm about to eat dinner and then go back into fasting after I eat dinner. And then Saturday and Sunday is my eating day. So right here I have some kebabs. And I sprinkled on here my little salt seasonings, pepper. And I'm going to roast them, you know, until they get roasted, brownish, or whatever. I got my hamburger patties right here. Hopefully I didn't over salt them too much. This is one of the ground beef that I got from Crowd Cow. It's the Wagyu beef. And so this is a pound. So 2 big ones is for my son and 2 of the little ones is for me. I use this salt, one of my little fancy salts, on my burgers, and then some pepper. And then these are the 2 salts I used on the veggie kebabs. No, this I used on, I have some guacamole I made, and then this one I used on the veggie kebabs is black. And let me show you. So I got them mixed up. I used the black on my veggie kebabs, and I used this one in my guacamole. And I also sprinkled some olive oil, a little olive oil on my kebabs. And then over here I have some sweet potato slices. This is going to be like my bun. I saw this recipe on the Crowd Cow, and then I went and clicked on the chef who made it, and so it looked really good. And so I can't wait to see how this comes out. I also have my eggs right here. I'm gonna make 2 poached eggs for me and my son. So this is my first time making poached eggs, so I hope they come out right. And then I have some bacon in the oven, and I'm gonna make a bacon onion relish to put on the burgers, opposed to bacon and onions separately. And then I have tomatoes cut up right here. I'm gonna put some mild cheddar on his, and I'm gonna put my Boursin cheese on mine, and then I'm gonna top mine with some A1 steak sauce as well. So we'll see how they come out. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at these burgers. They are so juicy and delicious. Yes, yes, this is a thumbs up. This dry aged Wagyu beef from Crowd Cow. Delicious, delicious. So I'm building my burger. So in the bottom I got my sweet potatoes, and I got some lettuce and a tomato. Then my burger, put some A1 on, and that's my onion, bacon, relish like type mix. I'm gonna finish building it. I just wanted to come give y'all a better picture. I hate when my food don't picture the way I want it. This thing kept falling over and falling over. Yeah, it's because I piled so much stuff under it. There you see the sweet potato right there. But it is good, this burger. I had to stick the knife into it just so it could stay up. But this hamburger, this Wagyu, however you say it, beef is good, and I seasoned it just right. One of my poached eggs, two of my poached eggs came out good, but gotta work on it.